Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danish KHUSHAIRI. Today I would like to present about MM360 Lab 1. I am from class D4EM 110 4D. For this this phase, this is the number 1, the rough number 1, and this is finish number 2, rough number 3, finish number 4, rough number 5, finish number 6, center drill number 7, drill number 8, and cut off. For this part, this number 3 part, its name is rough counter turning. The holder is tool in flexible holder right side with offset. The cutting tool is turning insert carbide cutting tool. Is using a trapezium. Application dynamic bar copying, and the boring bar type EE SVUB C minus A, and the size is 34 mm. For the cutting material, we use a carbide, and the cutting speed is 305 meter per minute. The workpiece diameter is 55 millimeter. Machine max is 6000. Cutting edge 1, spindle 1770 round per minute. Chip load is 0.673 mm per revolution. Feed rate is 1188 mm per minute. The time this for this need T 99.49 mm divided by 1188 mm per minute, and we will get the total time is 0.084 minutes. This is a sketch for the rough counter turning. Next, we will be proceed with the finish counter turning. Holder is tool indexable holder right side with offsets. Cutting tool is turning insert carbide. Cutting tool is shaped like trapezium, and application is dynamic bar copying. The boring bar type is E SVUB C minus A, and the size is 29 mm. The cutting material is carbide. The cutting speed is 305 m per minute. Workpiece diameter is 55 mm. Machine max is 6000. Cutting edge 1. Spindle speed is 1770 rpm. Chip load is 0.673 mm per revolution. Feed rate is 1188 mm per minute. And to calculate the time for finish counter turning is 99.49 mm divided by 1188 mm per minute, and we will get 0.084 minutes. The number 5 process is rough groove. Holder is parting turning tool holder. Cutting tool, we will insert the carbide for grooving. The application is no application and no boring bar types. The size is 5 mm. The cutting material is carbide. Cutting speed 305. Workpiece diameter is 55. Machine max 6000. Cutting edge of fluid is 1. Spindle speed is 1770. Chip load is 0.673. And feed rate is 1188. To calculate time, 33 mm divided by 1188 mm per minute, we get the total time for rough groove is 0.028 minutes. This is the sketch for the rough groove. And the number 6 machining process is finish groove. Holder is parting turning tool holder. We will insert tungsten carbide for grooving. No application, no boring bar type, and the size is 4 mm. The cutting material is carbide. The cutting speed is 305. Workpiece diameter is 55. Machine max is 6000. Cutting tool or edge, cutting edge of fluid 1. Spindle speed is 1770. Chip load is 0.673 and feed rate is 1188. The total time is 0.042 minutes. The center drilling, there is no holder. The cutting tool is end mill, HSS. The application is 5 fluid. There is no boring bar types, and its size is 9 millimeter. Cutting material is HSS. The cutting speed is 70. The workpiece diameter is 55. Machine max 6000. The fluid is 5. The spindle speed is 440 RPM. Chip load is 0.22, and the feed rate is 545. The total time for center drilling is 0.034 minutes. And the drilling and the number 8 machining process drilling. There is no holder. The cutting tool is reamer, HSS. There is no application, no boring bar types, and the size is 10 millimeter. The cutting material is HSS. The cutting speed is 19 meter per minute. Workpiece diameter is 55 millimeter. Machine max is 6000. The fluid is 5. Spindle is 440 RPM. Chip load is 0.236. The feed rate is 677. And the time for drilling is 0.030 per minute. This is the sketch for the drilling.